Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. You are currently looking at Intombi Asembo Kabazela Mavovungunezi Makanya Maseswini. Okay, welcome back to another vlog. So today's a Saturday and what is the date today? It's the 24th of May. Guys, where did Ume go? Where did Ume go? Anyway, today is Saturday and Mama's here. Boo, 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 boo. Mama's been visiting me a lot, so I love that for me. But I just want to quickly show you guys something. Yeah, I wanted to start this vlog here because also I'm excited about this unboxing. So unbox this with me, but before that, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends and their friends and their friends' friends, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's get into this vlog. Welcome back to another day. Boo, 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 boo. So I'm speaking really soft because I don't want people to hear me, because right now I'm in a place of work. Guys, I'm so grateful. Ngisendaweni yokusebenza, a place of work. Okay, so girl finally landed herself a JA Bay, okay, job. So I'm so excited, but we'll talk properly once I think I'm outside. Right now, yeah, it's my first day, so I don't want anybody to end up seeing me standing here and talking alone in front of a camera. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So today is a Wednesday and I am at work once again. I'm in the bathroom right now, the restrooms, and I just wanted to say hi to you guys. I've never gotten a chance to talk to you guys. So today is day 3 of me starting at work, and yeah, we shall see how everything goes, but I just wanted to greet you guys. And today I'm gonna try and vlog whilst I'm here, just for more content, because yesterday and day before yesterday I didn't get time, or I couldn't rather. There was like still a bit of, well, we were doing like an induction for the workplace, so I was also still trying to get familiar with the place. But yeah, because I'm early today, I just thought I'd come here and greet you guys. And yeah, for the past 2 days, even when I go back home, I always get home and I'm tired. So I'm still trying to adjust to this life because as you guys know, I was a stay-at-home mom, so this is really tough for me. The time right now, I think it's 5 to 6. Singenu 6, that's the time that we clock 6 o'clock. So I'm here now. It's really early and I'm still trying to adjust and get used to these times, but I'm very much grateful for this opportunity. So let me go, guys, before I become late because I'm early. I'll talk to you guys maybe lunchtime. Yeah, but I'll talk to you guys a bit later. I'm still a bit sleepy, but yeah. Hi, boo. Saigon. Yeah, Tumbo. Say hi to my YouTube channel. I'm vlogging.
Right.
You are looking okay.
Are we looking the part?
You're definitely looking the part.
Hi. Camille.
Yeah?
It's a hello. It's a hi.
Say I was. This is 2-ply. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So today is a Sunday and it's in the afternoon, but I didn't really talk to you guys properly. I was just showing you guys that my cousin was here to buy some tissue. We do sell tissue here at home. So my mother sells tissue, basically like a family business, so I am also pushing this side in Durban. So yeah, she was just here to collect order. Shout out to you guys for supporting. Thank you, babe. Anyway, right now it's in the afternoon and I was cooking. Yes. You're not even supposed to be sitting there. We can't. Guys, so I'm currently cooking and I was also finishing unbraiding my hair. But guys, but I don't know if you guys can see, but bilisa uponchisi. So now senzo tosa and cook uputu. I think I'm only gonna wash my hair after I'm done cooking, or then I'll wash my hair. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So yeah, that's what I'm getting up to. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. I know it's all over, but don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, because I don't know if I said that at the beginning of this video. I don't think I did. But yeah, I don't mind my crustiness. Angaga gezi. I just woke up today. Ganegi washingi. I washed it yesterday, but the line is not big enough. Yesterday I was hanging Asi's clothes, so today I had to hang my clothes. And then my cousin came. What was I busy with? Oh no, I fed Asi. I bathed her. Then Gakezu Asi, I fed her, and then I ate. Oh, and then I fell asleep. I fell asleep. I guess I'm just really exhausted, guys. I don't know. Or that was laziness. I don't know. But I fell asleep after eating, obviously, itis. And then I woke up only now. We woke up at 3. Gabegu Ponjisi finished unbraiding at the back of my hair. So, yeah, this is my hair. I'm so lazy to wash my hair, but I have to because angeng wazuklana zokanjeni. And ngisabu ubuhlungu engizobuzwa bese ngikama because growth elana. Yo, but anyway, yeah, that's what I'm gonna get up to, guys. Ngizothosa lo bhontshisi manje. Ngibeka uphuthu, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna bathe after that, and then we're gonna call it a night because tomorrow kuyavukwa. I'm not looking forward to it. I'm joking, I am. I'm not looking forward to the waking up part, but I'm definitely looking forward to obviously waking up, being busy, because what was the life that I was living? Guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. Today is a Tuesday, the 3rd of June, and June is my month, so not really excited, but I'm happy it's my month. Grateful. But yeah, I'm at work. It's currently, what time is it? Maybe like 6. So I'm quite early. And yeah, this is me. This is the second week. New week, new me. This is how I'm looking. This is the outfit of the day. And yeah, guys, yesterday I was dying. You guys. That's why I didn't vlog. I think the last time I spoke to you guys was Sunday. Yes, it was Sunday morning or during the day. I don't even remember. I was too tired over the weekend, and yesterday I was also very tired. I was not ready to start the week, but I feel so much better now. So yeah, welcome back to another day. Today is the second week since I've started here at work, and it's difficult, guys. This thing of ungenango 6, it's really killing us. It's not safe. Like, siphila ngonkosi sikelela, but what can we do? So yeah, I'll talk to you guys during the day. As the day progresses, I just want to put more lip gloss after I finish snacking on my chips. So yeah, let me go. I'll talk to you guys later. And today I want to go relax my hair. This is obviously a weave, but underneath my hair, as you saw, guys, over the weekend I unbraided my hair. I didn't go yesterday because I was too tired, so I'm gonna do it today. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hey guys, welcome back. It is in the afternoon and I just came from work. I just came from fetching Asi after work, and yeah, I went to the salon today to go do my hair. And yeah, I don't feel like honestly speaking, but it's fine because it's my fault. My hair was too, I had too much dandruff. As a result, also ngakhethi relaxer eshibhile. I don't know why I did that, because normally I buy the Dark and Lovely kit, but I was just like, abang relaxing ngaleya 120. Ngicabanga sekulate ukuthi, you know what, angithengele, I think it's 170 or something. But anyway, yeah, I could have done a better job. Sometimes ukuthi ufuna into eshibhile akusizi because you don't get good results, but it's not that bad. Anyway, I'm glad ukuthi ngirelaxile. It's really not. But yeah, I'm just glad that my hair is done, and now I'm just gonna wait to do braids month end, hopefully. But right now, yeah, I'm just because I mean, cutting lugile for the longest time, so I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for now. And yeah, banda's coolile. Hi, boo. Wakil. Guys, I'm so tired. I just want to sleep before anything. I'm so sorry for the noise. Uasi. Yeah, but I just want to sleep quickly, like maybe an hour or two before Asi and I wake up, and I bathe her and I bath as well, and then we eat and then we go to bed again because tomorrow is another day, early morning. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie, so let me just go to sleep. I'll talk to you guys whenever I can. I think maybe later or tomorrow. Guys, I'm finding it so difficult to actually talk to you guys whilst I'm at work. First of all, I don't think I'm comfortable because I'm so nabantu. Yay! I'm seeing. Okay, let me talk to you guys later because Uas is making noise and I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm just finding myself shouting as well. Not like my voice is raising because she's making noise. But yeah, we're back home. And let me sleep. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. Yo guys, the way I'm so inconsistent on Saturday, like I keep on thinking I'm gonna aim this vlogging thing. Well, I'm consistent, but the thing is when I get home, I'm still trying to adjust to the shift, bro. Like when I get home, I keep on thinking that when I get home I'm going to, so I'm just combing out my hair because I didn't quite do that when I left the house because I was a bit late. Well, but I'm early. Book Sangi. One thing about lip gloss and this jacket, look at this. Oh my goodness. I hate this jacket. Like, I love the color, but I hate the fact that it is so easy to just be dirty. Like, it easily gets dirty. I think today, like, I brought this is water that I put on this hair, but I don't think I'm gonna put it today because I've been putting water and a curl activator on this hair for the past days that I've been wearing this weave, this wig, but I think today I just want it to be a bit fluffy like this, so I'm not gonna spray it with water. I want it to be fluffy like this. Yeah, I like this look. I like it. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. Look at her. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with cooking now. Yeah, let's get to doing that. Hey guys, so it is later on. It's currently, oh my goodness, your show past 9. It's almost 9:30. It's 25 minutes past. So yeah, I'm calling it a night. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night now, guys, because kusile kusasa. And also what else? Yeah, I wanted to close off this vlog, end of this vlog here. We are happy. So I just want to end off this vlog here, you guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm just so distracted. Sorry about that, you guys. Like, yes, where us ngicasingaqabani ayihlekisi. Guys, let me just end off this vlog here because this child is literally so energetic right now. She's gonna fall off this bed because she's trying to follow. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and obviously subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll see you on another vlog. And as I was saying, I am going to be doing more vlogs whereby I'm a working mom now. And yeah, I'm really forgetting something. I feel like I wanted to say something, but that's why I just feel like I look a bit. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you've watched till the end, thank you so much. And yeah, hopefully there will be more consistency now because I'm just trying to get back on my feet. So yeah, don't forget to like this video once again, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Let me love and leave you guys before this baby falls off this bed, because that's going to be another thing that I have to face. So I'll see you guys on the next one.